So now we are testing out the all new Golf GTI. We are at NATRAX right now over here. We'll be doing a night run. Not a high speed test, but let's go and experience this. Buckling up. So that is the cockpit, ambient light, that's the steering wheel. Let me just switch on the light. And that's your 7-speed DSG Golf badging over here. GTI steering wheel, GTI cluster.
The flags are out. And the last car, car number 5, start rolling please. Thank you.
And now we are joining the high-speed track on NATRAX. We're doing a full high-speed run on the Golf GTI very soon, but right now we are going in a convoy. There are around 4 GTIs in front of me. What do you think, Abhishek, of the car?
Okay, now let's move to the second lane. Let's keep a speed of 90. Everyone just maintain a speed of 90.
So they have given instructions that we have to maintain a speed of 90.
Everyone just keep up the speed, maintain 90, and please put your headlights in high beams, please. The first car, please keep up the speed, please. Let's move to the third lane, just maintain the speed of 120, please.
And now we are gonna hit the bank. We're on the middle lane, and here we go. We have been told to maintain a speed of 120, though we are exceeding the limit a little bit. So the sound that you hear is obviously from the exhaust, but a little bit of sound also comes in from the speakers to give you that thrilling experience. And as you can see ahead, we have a full convoy.
Okay, everyone, let's maintain a speed of 150, please.
Okay, now we have got a green signal to maintain a speed of around 150. To be a little careful on the tracks.
Please maintain a speed of 150. Enter the banking, then we move to the right lane, the extreme right lane.
Now we are moving to the right lane. Just slowing down a little bit so that I can just show you the acceleration. There you go, we on that extreme bank. The other car, we just passed it because it was not going at a...
The third car, please catch up with us. Maintain a speed of 170.
We are doing 200 like it's nothing.
170. Second and third car, please come to the third lane. All cars, please come to the third lane.
Pure driving thrill. What's Abhishek? How's it?
Oh, nice. Really nice.
Smooth, right?
Everyone, keep it to the extreme right lane onto the banking. Please maintain the speed of 170.
We will go to the bank, and now we are gonna. The front car is. That is how it's almost a 37-degree bank over here, and you can go up to speeds of, you can exceed at 300 kilometers an hour. We are just doing about 180, 170, but let us just get to the straight ones. Let's see how quickly it can just touch 200. Lot of debris from the front car. Let me just quickly shift my lane. Oh, that was nice. That was a really nice drive, night drive especially. What's Abhishek?
Yeah.
Awesome, huh?
Yes.
Everyone slow down, slow down.
There we go. We have entered. Yes, Abhishek. Oh, lovely night drive with the Golf GTI. There you go. Abhishek, can you quickly give us an exhaust note check? Just rev the car. Woo! So that, guys, was the all new Golf GTI. We just had a night run on this car and it was just fantastic. What do you think about this hatchback? Actually, this hot hatch? Comment below and let us know.